Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best solar ovens that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have GoSun Survival Gear Solar Oven Sun Cooker. As you can most likely tell by its name, GoSun is known for offering a wide range of solar products. This also includes a couple of solar ovens that offer excellent performance like this one. GoSun Survival Gear Solar Oven is present in the second position in this article as it is one of the best performing options available out there. This solar oven offers a very high cooking temperature of up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, much higher than other options present here. It is able to offer this thanks to its 360-degree design that can cook a meal in just 20 minutes. Because GoSun is a reputable brand of solar products, it also comes with a 1-year-long warranty for peace of mind. A great thing about this solar oven is that it weighs 8 pounds and offers a fairly compact body, making it ideal for portable usage while offering decent space for cooking food. Moving on at number 4, we have SolarCook AllSeason Solar Cooker. The SolarCook AllSeason Solar Cooker takes full advantage of that simplicity of function to create a simple solar oven from reflective panels inside a cardboard outer. Essentially a large cardboard box lined with mylar. The SolarCook AllSeason Solar Cooker is necessarily large because, like a lot of panel ovens, the heat it can produce is dictated by the size of its panels. The AllSeason Solar Cooker has dimensions of 18.1 by 14.3 by 6.7 inches and weighs 4.84 pounds, making it lightweight if not exactly compact. A simple block and pin assembly attached to the upper lid helps the user angle the oven for best results. At number 3, we have Sunflare Mini Portable Solar Oven. While it might not be as popular as other options out there, Sunflare also offers a few handy solar devices. You can also find a few affordable solar oven offerings from Sunflare out there. With the Sunflare Mini Portable Solar Oven, you get an excellent value for money, making it a great pick for many. This is due to a simple reason that it is the cheapest option present in this article. Even then, you still get a decent cooking temperature of up to 285 degrees Fahrenheit with it. As you can most likely tell by its name, this is a portable solar oven thanks to its foldable design. This solar oven weighs only 1.25 pounds, making it the lightest option in this article. Even though it is a budget offering, you still get a 1-year-long warranty with it, making it as reliable as much more expensive options out there. At number 2, we have Hanes 2.0 Sunup Solar Oven. Even though Hanes is a lesser-known brand of solar devices and tools, its offerings can be a great option if you are on a budget. This also includes its entry-level solar oven model, which is ideal for many. The Hanes 2.0 Sunup is another affordable solar oven mentioned here in this article. Despite being one of the cheaper options, you still get a pretty decent maximum cooking temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit with it. It is able to offer this with its 30-inch diameter along with a foldable design, which makes it portable. Speaking of portability, this solar oven weighs only 2.4 pounds, making it one of the more portable options out there. While the build quality offered by it is quite decent for the price, this budget solar oven does not come with any manufacturer's warranty. And finally at number 1. Sun Oven's American Sun Oven. The All-American Sun Oven is very much the zenith of solar cooking technology. The 4 rust-proof, highly polished, mirror-like anodized aluminum panels can be set up in seconds. The easy sun trackers and self-contained leveling leg make it remarkably easy to position the oven. In strong sunlight, it can reach temperatures of between 360 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The inside of the All-American Sun Oven comes with a spill-proof levelator, which is a hanging food rack that prevents spillage when the oven needs to be re-leveled as the sun moves. The oven can be used to independently bake, boil, or steam foods and is a great method for boil sterilizing water without needing to carry propane around with you. With dimensions of 24 by 15.5 by 20.5 inches, the All-American Sun Oven certainly isn't compact, but with a weight of just 22 pounds and built-in carrying handles, it's still reasonably portable. The Sun oven also comes with all you need to get cooking, including a built-in thermometer and a solar oven-specific cookbook. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.